Hi friends, nowadays in present scenario, the awareness of Ayurvedic is increasing day by day and the Ayurvedic has become the part of our life. So using those Ayurvedic medicinal herb products is for the betterment of ours and our family's health. So we will listen it from our inventor about our Ayurvedic products.
I am S.M.Raju, Indian Administrative Service Officer. Right now, I am Principal Secretary to Government of Bihar, India. I am the inventor for treating and curing various incurable health disorders. As such, I am not a doctor, that is a medical professional, nor I am scientist. Basically, this has happened because of some problems which were taken place in our family. Firstly, I had a rheumatoid arthritis. So to cure my rheumatoid arthritis, I myself started digging out some alternative medicines through Ayurveda. So ultimately, I got myself cured. And thereafter, in 2008, suddenly some mishappening happened in my house that my father, for taking painkillers, is both kidneys were got failed, and doctors were declared it as acute renal failure. And thereafter, he was admitted to the very good hospital, and wherein nephrologists declared that either he has to undergo dialysis or the kidney has to be get transplanted. And for the emergent reasons, he went on dialysis for 3 months from June to September. And that time the creatinine was 11.5. And during that 3 months, I have discussed with different nephrologists, and everybody has stated only one thing, that till now there is no any medical solution for reviving kidney. Only the solution is the dialysis or transplanting of the kidney. So that time I have taken the Google help, and I read so many articles on cell. So ultimately I got prepared baked fish by using different herbs, that is coriander, mint, garlic, and this ginger. So through this paste, I have got baked fish and fed to my father, and within a week, God's grace, he got started urination. So thereafter, doctors have stopped dialysis, and the creatinine comes down to 2.5 that time. And to maintain that level only, doctors have given different medicines. And what I did is, I took those medicines to one of my friend doctor and asked that why these medicines has to be given, and whether these medicines has to be given lifetime or a particular period of time. So then doctors have segregated that medicines, stating that these medicines are art related. So wherein for blood thinning and artery strengthening, lifetime the medicine has to be given. Similarly, these medicines for liver caring, these medicines for kidney caring, these medicines for the calcium supplement and other vitamin supplement. So all these things has to be given, otherwise is a creatinine again may go up, like that doctors have told me. So then I thought, why can't I dig out some alternative medicines through Vedic literature? Whether in our olden days or they are not prepared to take care of these diseases. Like that it was, I got questioned myself, and again I went and I started searching in different books. Ultimately I got the solution. The solution also, what I did is, same allopathic principles I took. In allopathic principles, how the kidney patient is being treated for maintenance of certain level of creatinine. Similarly, I have created in Ayurvedic medicine for cardiovascular care, liver care and kidney care. So now afterwards, the question was on whom I have to trial. So that was a big question for me. Luckily, when I was posted as a commissioner in Saran in Bihar, that time already I have started 2 medicines giving to different people. That is antioxidant, that is anti-aging for general health, and gastro medicine for gastric purpose. And that particular point of time, some people were sitting in front of me and there was a call from outside stating that, sir, dawa tayar hai. That means medicine is ready. I said, yes, you come and collect it. Then one gentleman asked me, sir, you are preparing medicine also? Yes. Then he said that I am having heart problem, 85% of the arteries have blocked, and now I am supposed to go for open heart surgery, but I am deferring to next year, and now I am on allopathic medicine and it's very painful, like that, he said. Then I said that if at all you are willing, I will give this cardiovascular medicine. Then he took, and within a week he had a lot of changes. So then he went to Dr. Tehran, that is he was taking health care from Vedanta hospital, and wherein Dr. Tehran told him that this medicine is working, this Ayurvedic medicine. You can take alternatively instead of allopathic medicine. So then he came down next week and told the entire thing. So that has given a great impetus for me to further going ahead. So similarly, another gentleman came voluntarily for his liver problem because of the alcoholic this thing. He had a fatty liver and some liver disease was there. For him, I gave that liver medicine. So he too had the very good response. So then I thought that when heart disease related medicine, that is a cardiovascular, and liver disease medicine, that is liver care, when both the medicines are working, that means kidney care also it's working. So then I thought that, then I called my father to Chapra, that is a Saran place, and I trialed on him. And within a week to 10 days, say I think 8 to 10 days, the 3 medicines were so impact, that is the cardiovascular and liver care and kidney care, that both the legs swelling is totally wiped out, and creatinine level has come down from 2.4 to 1.9. Then I was amazed that such type of power is really having in Vedic literature, like that. So thereafter, my luck was, I met Honorable Justice Justice Patna High Court, Shri Shashank Kumar Singh. He said that, Raju, doctors are saying that I am having little bit, creatinine is higher level, some kidney problem is there, like that. Then I said, sir, now last month only I have invented the medicine for this, and 3 medicines are there, and 3 medicines, if you are sincerely going to take, then I will give you, like that. Then that sir has agreed and I gave it to him, and within a month the creatinine level maybe 2 plus it was, comes down to 0.9. Then I got confidence, and thereafter he is the man who has started telling in all the higher levels that Mr. Raju has invented some herbal compounds and which are working very well like that. So likewise it has disseminated across the country and across the globe, and known persons, word of mouth, everybody started taking, and simultaneously I come across with Honorable Minister for Ayush, Mr. Shripad Yashar Naik, and he has also started taking my medicine for some health issue, and his family members also started taking, and simultaneously again I come across with Honorable Minister for Small and Medium Scale Industries, Mr. Giriraj Singh, and he had osteoarthritis, and even A.I.M.S have advised him to go for knee replacement, but he also started consuming my medicines. So he got very good relief. So like that, celebrities like Zarina Wahab and Aditya Pancholi, Anju Mahendru, and also retired ex Chief Justice of Rajasthan, Mr. S.M.Raju sir, and top head of the department of various medical colleges like Magad Medical College and Nalanda Medical College, Dr. Arun Kumar Thakur, and Dr. Vibhuti Tiwari from SKMCH Medical College, and Dr. Bharati Tiwari ji from head of the department of Gynec from Magad Medical College, and big business tycoons. Like this, n number of persons were started taking. And then one fine day, Dr. Arun Kumar Thakur is right now also, earlier he was head of the department of pediatrics, and now again he was re-inducted in Nalanda Medical College, Government Medical College. And he told me, sir, you don't keep these things to your family concern and friends only. You just come out with such a plan that entire mankind of the world should enjoy from your medicines. Like that he poked me, and also he started advising me to develop various medicines. So like this I developed almost 14 medicines till now, and the God's grace, Honorable Minister for Ayush Government of India, Shripad Yashar Naik, last October 11th has launched our product, and I, as an I.A.S officer, I cannot do any commercial things. I gave my formula to the private company with the condition that 50% of the revenue has to be spent on the rural poor children's education in Gurukulashram concept. So in this way, all these medicines I got developed, and this is 100% herbal and no chemicals added. And there is a myth that in Ayurvedic medicine there will be metals, but here I have not added any chemicals. It is a purely herbs. And secondly, whatever the US FDA parameters are there, accordingly it has got tested both raw materials as well as the products, and no any this fungicides or pesticides or these metals or in my medicines. You people may be surprising that why this as nomenclature has been given to this Ayurvedic medicine. The reason is, the first thing is, so far 99% of the Ayurvedic medicines, whatever which are available in the market, are generic one. Whatever it has stated in the books, the same thing they have prepared and put it in the for the consumption. For example, Tripala, the Tripala it has written, like what? Likewise Arjuna powder, Arjuna tablets, Chirayata tablets, like that. But whereas here, what I did, I actually taken the gravity and the magnitude of each medicinal plant's value and mixed with other related plant materials to give synergetic effect in a particular disease. And thereafter, I am very happy and surprised to say that those who used to consume the medicine, they used to tell immediately after 1 day or 2 days, sir, your medicine is a miracle. Mr. Raju, your medicine is a miracle. The reason is they have tried years and years through allopathic medicines, but their health disorders have not actually cured. So because of that, for example, gastric problem. In the gastric problem, some people have tried whatever the medicines which are there in the world, but they could not able to get any curing. They used to get some relief, but again if they take some food, again they used to get. Similarly, those who are having arthritis, because they just left in their lifetime thinking that my legs are like this only in next till my end of my life and I have to live with the pain. So like that they used to take some painkillers and all, and somehow they used to manage. So such cases they have got a very good relief. And similarly for this liver problem, some people had such a liver problem, they just cannot digest any food properly, and they have started proper digestion, these things and all. So like this, the people whoever takes. And another very important thing I wanted to tell you, that cholesterol. One lady, she is a wife of senior Indian Revenue Service officer. Her cholesterol never used to come down 350, and when she took my medicine, that is anti-aging, it has got reduced to 160 within 15 days to 20 days. So similarly, thyroid problem, they never predicted the thyroid that level will comes down, but I gave the medicine for cholesterol, but that person had thyroid problem. Within a month, 60% of the thyroid problem has vanished away. In this way, miracle people have started expressing on my invented decoction. So therefore, I gave, why? Because elixir for life. Elixir for life, what elixir means? Amruth. That's what in Sanskrit term which we are actually saying. Amruth means whatever the problem is there, that will be get eradicated through that Amruth. And now another very important thing in this medicine is, it is not having side effects. So because of that, we can say that this is a wellness packed in the bottle. For uric acid, if the person who takes xyluric medicine, and once he starts, he has to take till his end of his life, and ultimately that will causes the osteoarthritis. But whereas in this medicine, that is elixir for life, what I have invented, here it is not like that. It will give, it will basically, it is knocking the dormant stem cells of the organ and starting, and further it will going to start the dysfunctioning organ to functioning. So because of that, we can say that wellness packed in this bottle, and it can be taken along with the allopathic medicines also without any problem. Only the thing is, those who are taking blood pressure medicine and diabetic mellitus medicines like insulin and other tablets, they have to monitor it, because once the sugar get dipped, so automatically they have to reduce the other allopathic medicines. So that is the only one thing is required in this concept of my medicines, and this is totally herbal and no synthetic at all, and I hope that this will going to helpful for the entire world, because nowadays in many health disorders there is no any solutions from allopathic. So this is what I want to give the introduction.